Wait, if you're a graduate searching for a real banking career break, don't scroll. This update could change your entire 2025. Bank of Baroda has officially announced the BoB Apprentice Recruitment 2025. And trust me, this one is big. We're talking 2,700 apprentice posts across India with real, hands on banking exposure. Unlike typical entry level jobs, this apprenticeship puts you inside the branch, learning customer service, KYC, account operations, digital banking support, everything the BFSI industry values the most. And yes, you get a monthly stipend of Rs 15,000. It's not a salary, but it definitely helps you sustain comfortably during the 1 year training period. Now, here's the best part: the exam is completely online and remotely proctored. You can take it from home using just your laptop or even a smartphone. Plus, no negative marking. That's a huge advantage. Eligibility is simple. You must be a graduate, aged 20 to 28, and you should know the local language of the state you're applying for. The state-wise vacancies include major numbers in Gujarat, Karnataka, UP, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, and more. The selection happens in three stages: the online test, document verification, and a local language test. And once you complete your 12 months, you get a nationally recognized apprenticeship certificate that boosts your future career massively. Whether you're aiming for private banks, government bank exams, fintech jobs, or financial services, this experience gives you a huge edge. So, if you're dreaming of entering the banking sector, don't wait. This is one of the most valuable opportunities of 2025. For full detailed information, visit TuteeHUB right now.